Good morning, dear student. Today I am discussing the next unit of engineering mathematics. This is the first unit of engineering mathematics, differential equation. Differential equation. Differential equation of basically used in the engineering math because this is important for engineering students to solving the modeling system and also this is a very popular for the calculation of the population. And now this is a very important topics for the engineering student and interesting for the mathematics because this is change in variable with the separation methods and other variables dependent and independent for linear solution and non-linear equation solution. First I am discuss the differential equation. First I am discuss the differential equation. Differential equation and differential equation involve the differential coefficient is called a differential equation. If differential coefficient of any equation is find is known as differential equation. This is a differential coefficient. This is a differential coefficient. If any equation will be find in a differential coefficient is known as differential equation. First I discuss this is a differential equation of first order. This is a differential equation. If you can find this type of any equation is known as differential equation. This means otherwise zero, otherwise any number, any constant, you have any variables. dy of dx plus ay is equal to 0 or is equal to constant. Now second is d2y upon dx square plus a dy of dx plus by is equal to c, otherwise 0. Now third is this. This type of equation is also known as the differential equation. This is a differential equation. Now again I am finding the differential equation. Now again next finding the order and degree of differential equation. How to find the order and degree of differential equation? Order of differential equation is the highest differential coefficient. If any differential equation will find the highest differential coefficient present in the differential equation. अगर हमारे पास किसी भी differential equation में कोई सबसे ज्यादा हमको मिल रही है क्या differential coefficient सबसे बड़ा मिल रहा है तो उसको हम बोलेंगे क्या order of differential equation. This means उस differential equation का हम order कहेंगे. जैसे कि हमने एक differential equation लिया. If this is a differential equation, this a d2y of dy upon dx2 plus b dy of dx plus cy is equal to 2. This is a differential equation. 2 is a order of differential equation. This is a differential equation and 2 is find in a order of differential because this is a differential coefficient and this power is order of differential equation. Now second is degree of differential equation. Degree of differential equation will find when the highest derivative of differential coefficient after removing the radical sign and fraction. अगर हम किसी differential equation में after differential equation अगर हमने find out कर लिया order of differential equation, now again find the degree. जिस भी equation की differential equation की हम order firstly check करेंगे उसी differential coefficient का हम क्या चेक करेंगे डिग्री भी चेक करेंगे उसी में. जिस प्रकार हमने एक डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हमने रिप्रेजेंट किया है दिस इज अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. नाउ यू कैन फाइंड द ऑर्डर ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. दिस इज अ order means 2 is a order of differential equation. Now whole power of this equation, this derivative is known as a degree of differential equation. This means 1. This means 1. This is a differential equation and order of differential equation is 2. Now you can simply, if you have find any differential equation, I know the nth order of differential equation, you can note dny of dxn plus n dn minus 1y of dxn to the power n minus 1 plus dot dot plus ay is equal to 0. This is a nth order of differential equation. Then order of dE is equal to n, and this is a highest power of the differential equation, and degree of dE is equal to 1. You can check, this is a highest coefficient of differential equation, and this is a degree of coefficient. Degree of coefficient. If you can present any number m, you can write m. M is a degree of differential equation. This is very important for engineering mathematics. Please, you can note down this session. And now I am discussing some numericals of. First, you can note down differential equation. Differential equation of the first order and first degree. First degree. Now you can note down, this is a topic, differential equation of the first order and first degree. How you can find the first order of differential equation? You can know, if the differential coefficient is highest, we find differential equation, this is known as first order, and if the derivative of the highest derivative of the differential equation with removing of radical signs and fraction is known as degree of the differential equation. Now first method of differential equation, or first topic of differential equation, difference equation solution. Equation solution by separation of the variable First I am discuss this topic by separation of variable. If there is two variable of differential equation x and y, we separate x is one side and another side is y, or otherwise left side is a y and right side is a x. You can separate x and y. For example, the function of separation of the variable, it means f y dy is equal to phi x dx. This is a separation variable method of differential equation. For example, you can note down, this is a first numerical for you. Find the solution of differential equation, or solution of solve the differential equation differential equation 1 plus x square dy minus xy dx is equal to 0. This is a differential equation. This is a differential equation. First, I will check this is a differential equation. Now again, I am finding the what types of the differential equation. Now I am finding this is a separation method. Now solution of this equation, this problem, we have 1 plus x square dy minus x y dy is equal to 0. This is a differential equation. Now you can write 1 plus x square dy is equal to x y dx. Now again you can write dy of y is equal to x dx upon 1 plus x square. You can write this applying integration on both sides, then you can find integration dy of y is equal to integration of d into dx upon 1 plus x square. Now you can solve. This is a log y, and now again you can find this integration. You can let 1 plus x square is equal to t. Now you can find 1 by 2 log 1 plus x square plus c. Sorry, this means log c. Now you can write 2 log y is equal to log 1 plus x square plus log c. Now this is a log m plus log n into log m into n. This means log y square m log n. This means log c 1 plus x square. Now you can write log y square is equal to log bracket c into 1 plus x square. Now you can write log will be cancelled. Y square is equal to c 1 plus x square. This is a solution of differential equation. This is a solution of differential equation with the help of by separation of variable. Now you can note down the next numerical. For example, solve the differential equation. This is a differential equation. You can note down. If dy of dx is equal to 1 plus tan y minus x. This is a differential equation. You can note down solution of this differential equation. Here we have, this is a differential equation. Dy of dx is equal to 1 plus tan y minus x. Now you can let y minus x is equal to t. Now you can differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to t. Now you can find dy of dx minus 1 is equal to dt of dx. Now again dy of dx minus 1 is equal to dt of dx. Now dy of dx you can write 1 plus dt of dx. You can note down this and this. If this is equation number first, now you can put in equation. In equation first, you can put dy of dx is equal to 1 plus t, and this is a t. Now you can write 1 plus dt of dx is equal to 1 plus tan t. Now you can break 1 will be cancelled. This means dt of dx is equal to tan t. Now you can write by separation of variable dt upon tan t is equal to dx, or you can write 1 by tan t is equal to cot t. Now you can write cot t into dt is equal to dx. You can write this. Now taking integration on both sides, you can write integration of cot t dt is equal to integration 1 into dx. Now integration of cot t is equal to log sin t, and integration of 1 is equal to x plus c. Now you can write sin t is equal to e to the power x plus c. Now putting the value of t. T means y minus x. Since y minus x is equal to t, I let. Now you can write sin y minus x is equal to e to the power x plus c. This is a solution of differential equation. This is a solution of this differential equation. Next numerical example. Next example. Solve the differential equation if dy of dx is equal to x 2 log x plus 1 total upon sin y plus y cos y. Solution of this problem, you can note down the solution of this problem. Here we have dy of dx is equal to x 2 log x plus 1 total upon sin y plus y cos y. By separation of variable, you can write sin y plus y cos y into dy is equal to x 2 log x plus 1 into dx. Now you can write, this is applying by separation of variable. Now you can write, taking integration on both sides, you can write integration of sine y plus y cos y into dy is equal to, you can write this integration bracket x bracket 2 log x plus 1 bracket close into dx. Now you can write integration sin y into dy plus integration y cos y dy is equal to integration x bracket 2 log x plus 1 into dx. This is a single function integration, this is a double variable integration. First and second. Now you can write this integral of sin x is equal to minus cos y plus integration of this, you can write y integration of cos y dy minus integration bracket d of dy y into integration of cos y dy bracket close into dy is equal to integration of this means you can write this integration 2 log x plus 1 integration x minus integration bracket d of dx integration of differential of 2 log x plus 1 into integration of x dx bracket close into dx. You can integrate of whole integral minus cos y plus y sin y. Now integrate of this minus differential of 1 y is equal to 1 integration of cos is equal to sin integration of sin is equal to plus minus plus cos y is equal to, now x square by 2 log x plus 1 minus integration of this 2 by x into integration of this x square by 2 dx. Now you can write this is cancelable, it means y sin y is equal to, now you can multiply x square log x plus x square by 2 minus integration of x dx. Now you can write y sin y is equal to x square log x minus x square by 2 plus x square by 2 minus x square by 2 plus c. Now you can write y sin y is equal to x square into log x plus c. This is a solution of differential equation. This is a solution of differential equation. You can note down this numerical is important. Now this is just a variable. You can note down. Solve the differential equation if 2x square plus 3y square minus 7 x dx minus 3x square plus y square, sorry, 2y square minus 8 y dy. Y dy is equal to 0. This is a differential equation. Now, solution of this differential equation. Here we have you can write 2x square plus 3y square minus 7 x into dx minus 3x square plus 2y square minus 8 y dy is equal to 0. You can write 2x square plus 3y square minus 7. You can write x into dx is equal to 3x square plus 2y square minus 8 y dy. By applying separation of the variable you can find x dx upon y dy is equal to, you can write 3x square plus 2y square minus 8 total upon 2x square plus 3y square minus 7. Now, by applying componendo and dividendo, you can find rule we get x dx plus y dy upon x dx minus y dy is equal to, you can find 5x square plus 5y square minus 15 total upon x square minus y square minus 1. You can find this. Now, you can write x dx plus y dy upon 5x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to x dx minus y dy upon x square minus y square minus 1. Now taking integration on both sides, you can find integration x dx plus y dy total upon 5 x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to x dx minus y dy total upon x square minus y square minus 1. तुम लोग क्या हुआ? पढ़ा डाले सर, कहाँ तक पढ़ाए? Now continue. Taking integration of both sides, you can write this. Now integrate of this, you can write this integral 1 by 5 log x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to log, this is integration of x square minus y square minus 1 plus log c. Now you can write log x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to 5 log x square minus y square minus 1 plus 5 log c. Now you can write log x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to log c1 x square minus y square minus 1 to the power 5. Now you can write x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to c1 x square minus y square minus 1 to the power 5. This is a solution of differential equation. You can note down, this is a very important numerical. With the help of separation of variable, this is using componendo and dividendo. If x and y are not separate in the any one x or y, any variables, you can use componendo and dividendo theorem. Thank you.